In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and style SRT subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know how to bring in an existing subtitle file, place it correctly on your timeline, make sure captions are enabled, and customize the look so they're clear and on brand. First, let's import your SRT file. An SRT is a simple text file with time codes that tell Premiere exactly when each subtitle should appear. Treat it just like any media asset. Open your project panel and drag the .srt file straight in, the same way you would bring in a video or audio clip. If you're working with multiple languages or versions, it helps to label the files clearly in the project panel so you always grab the right one. Once it's in, you're ready to use it in your sequence. Next, add it to your timeline. Open the sequence that matches your edit and drag the SRT from the project panel onto the timeline, placing it above your video track. Think of it as another layer that sits on top of your picture. Premiere reads the SRT's time codes, so the captions will automatically align to the correct moments in your video. If your captions appear offset, double check that you dropped them at the start of the sequence and that you're working in the correct timeline. When you place the SRT, Premiere automatically creates a captions track. You'll see it appear as its own lane in the timeline, separate from your video and audio tracks. This dedicated track makes it easy to manage visibility and selection. If the captions don't show on screen right away, make sure the track is visible and you're parked over a section where a caption exists. Now let's style and edit. Switch to the Captions workspace for a focused layout, or open the Essential Graphics panel if that's your preferred hub for design controls. Select a caption segment on the timeline, then adjust font, size, color, alignment, and position. For readability, choose a clean sans serif font and keep text large enough to be legible on smaller screens. Consider adding a subtle shadow, outline, or background box to help the text stand out against bright footage. Place captions near the lower third without touching the very bottom edge, and keep line lengths balanced so they don't stretch too wide. Once you like the look, apply the same styling to the rest of the captions for consistency. That's it. You've imported the SRT, placed it above your video, let Premiere build a captions track, and refine the style so your